In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subpages in Wix Studio. If you're organizing a growing website, subpages are a simple way to group related content under a main page, clean up your navigation, and make it easier for visitors to find what they need. I'll walk you through the exact drag and drop method inside the Wix Studio editor, and share a few quick tips so your menu looks polished and intentional. Start by clicking directly on your site's navigation menu in the editor. A small menu will appear for that element. Choose Manage Menu. This opens the panel that lists all the pages currently connected to your navigation. Think of this panel as the master list that controls what appears in your site's menus and how those items are arranged. From the list of pages, identify the page you want to turn into a subpage, and also find the main page it should live under. You're going to place the soon-to-be subpage directly beneath that main page first, so the editor understands the relationship you're creating. Click and drag the subpage in the list until it sits right below the main page. As you drag, look for the thin placement line to confirm exactly where it will land. Drop it there. Now that it's positioned under the correct parent, click and drag that same page slightly to the right. You'll see it indent to the right of the main page, which is your visual confirmation that it has become a subpage. Release the mouse, and that's it. The hierarchy is set. When a page is successfully nested, you'll notice it listed under the main page with a clear indentation. In many designs, that means it will display in a drop-down under the main page in your site's navigation, helping visitors access related content without crowding the top level of your menu. If you ever place it in the wrong spot, just drag it back to the left to return it to a top-level page, or slide it up or down to fine-tune the order. Keep your labels short and consistent so the drop-down stays clean. And consider grouping pages by topic or task to make scanning easy for your audience. Also, be mindful of how many subpages you nest under a single main page. A concise list is easier to navigate and looks better across different screen sizes. And there you go. That's all it takes to add subpages in Wix Studio using the Manage Menu panel and a couple of simple drags. Keep refining your structure until it feels intuitive, and your visitors will thank you.